Now I'm going to show you the first image. This is the image of the internal organs of hen eggs. When you just see the hen egg, uh, it is a its outermost covering is very tough, calcareous in nature. It is known as the shell, and just below this shell there are the several membranes are present. When you just look toward this eggshell, then you can recognize that the right side of this shell or egg, it is a blunt in nature, and the left side it is a taper in nature. At the blunt end there is a air space is present. Due to that, it can float on inside of the water also. Then when you just enter inside of this egg, then there are the several membranes are present. hmm. Then here the outer layer of thin albumin is present. Then inside of this albumin there are the fibrous layers are present. And when you just to see at the middle portion or the central of this egg, there is a presence of a yolk. When you just see this yolk, it is a very uh, thick or large amount. At the upper apex of this yolk, there is a presence of the blastoderms. This is most important area where the nucleus is present, and due to this, the fertilization is of the sperm nucleus and egg nucleus is going on in this only area. So when you just see at the both side of this yolk, there is a spiral or membrane is present, and this is known as the wire-like, thread-like, spiral thread-like structures are present. This actually binds this yolk, and it is known as the chalaja. Due to this coiling or the binding of this chalaja, this blastoderm is always present or located at apex region. Then next slide, it is about the egg. But you just look this picture. Here is the showing the outermost shell of the eggs. It is very hard, tough in nature. It actually the protect the yolk and albumin which is present inside of it. And when you just see here, the egg just below of this eggshell, there are the several shell membranes are present, and egg white or the albumin is present just below this, and at the center position there is a egg yolk is present, which we actually already discussed in the previous slide. Thank you.